Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, welcome. Hey girl. If you're not new here, welcome back. So today is the 30th of July. I finally moved in to my place. Finally got everything, and I'm sleeping here now. Tonight is my first night and the place is a mess. I did come over here on Wednesday and I brought some final stuff. I put my dishes to wash. Yeah, so basically today's just, I'm not sure what this vlog is going to be, but I just know I'm filming. So I did go ahead and wash the dishes the other day. I washed my towels, I washed my sheets. I just put my blankets focus. Hold on. Yeah, I just put my blanket in here. Guys, hold on. I'm trying to prop you guys up. Oh shoot. There we go. So I just put my blanket in there, and I got this blanket from Target. I think I did do a video where I show you guys. And I got some silk pillowcases from Amazon because I hear that they help with your skin and your hair. So you know, I love me some self-care, so I just got some dark gray silk pillowcases. So I'm just gonna put these to dry. I'm gonna need it to sleep tonight. Alright, so I did go ahead and do that. I also did go ahead and start setting the bathroom up. Excuse me. So I put the shower curtain up. I did buy this shower head to put in here, but I am not strong enough to change it, so this will just do for now. And I did add this shower caddy too as well. So yeah, that's all I basically did in the bathroom. And I put the mats down as well. But yeah, so that's all I did. Still haven't gotten my bed. I thought I was gonna get it today. That changed. I'm not gonna lie, the lighting is pretty good in every room. That's changed. So let me close my blinds. So I'm just gonna start organizing some stuff. Oh shoot, I need a toothbrush. I threw away my other toothbrush. Oh lord, I don't have any body wash either, but I'm gonna unpack my dishes. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them as yet, but I'm probably just gonna prop you guys up so you can watch me clean up. But yeah, so I'm not doing much tonight. Damn guys, I buy this and it's not sticking. I bought this thing for the sink and it keeps falling off. I know it said to wet it. Let me try setting it up. Hold on. I think that's what the instructions said, to wet it and place it on a dry area. Hopefully it stays. We'll see. But I don't know, honestly. I'm really exhausted and I'm wondering if I should just leave some stuff for tomorrow. But I have a lot to do tomorrow. I have to go do some stuff. I have some stuff to buy. I have to buy groceries. And I need to rest because I'm tired from work. I can't. I love the lighting in my kitchen, I'm not gonna lie. It's just the start of a vlog. I'm not sure what it's gonna be, but we will see as time goes on. So I think I'm gonna start organizing a little bit of stuff, or I'm gonna shower. I don't know yet. I don't have no body wash, so I'm probably gonna have to go to somewhere to buy a body wash. Go to like the gas station or something. Not gas station, the supermarket or Walmart. But I was really not in the mood for leaving my house tonight. Honestly, not in the mood. But I just didn't remember, so yeah. I think I'm just gonna unpack the dishwasher and put out the like, let me show you guys. I'm not sure what it's called, but this thing, y'all see it, y'all know what I mean. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day and not gonna lie, I've been having a rough morning. So someone called me and woke me up early this morning, like after 8. I didn't go to my bed till after 12 because I did have to go to Walgreens to get body wash and like a toothbrush and toothpaste because I totally forgot. I threw my old ones away, so I did have to do that last night, and then I went to bed about after 12. So I'm as exhausted. I do have a lot to do today. I did go ahead and run an errand earlier this morning. I was just grumpy. I didn't want to film, but I'm just gonna go ahead and like start like unpacking the rest of the stuff on the counter. Let me light my candle first. This candle smells so good. I got it from Ross. This is what it looks like. But it smells so good. It kind of smells like man cologne. Yeah, just doing that to get me in the mood. But I do have a lot to do today. I have to get groceries. I have to go buy like some other stuff, like I need a broom, I need some drawer dividers, I need hand soap for the bathroom. I probably need to go to Home Depot or Walmart to get like a drill to put up the bar stools. Yeah, I have a lot to do today and I want to rest as well. So I'm just gonna unpack stuff from the dishwasher, from the one that I ran last night. So that's what I'm doing now. And yeah, I do have to go shower and get ready to go on the road. I'm gonna wear a cute little outfit. I also want to try and get a mirror. That won't fit. I'm just gonna put them right here for now. Yeah, we're just gonna go right there for now. And I did wash these last night. It's like some jars for like my rice, my flour, my sugar. So I'm glad I washed them last night so that when I come back I can just unpack and like start like semi-organizing, because I'm not trying to, honestly I'm not trying to perfect everything today because I'm exhausted. Your girl is exhausted. But if you are liking these moving videos, make sure you comment down below and let me know if I should continue posting these, if you want to have detailed videos for each room. Just let you guys know. But yeah, let me just get cracking. I'm gonna play some music, so I'll just speed this up while you guys watch me. finally ready. It's 2 o'clock. So this is the fit. This is dress. It's from H&M. Let me show you guys a better view. Watch me trying to be a fashion YouTuber. This is the dress. Isn't it cute? And I have on my Tory Break sandals, and this bag is from Shein. But yeah, the ass is popping. But yes, so let's head on the road. Guys, I'm sorry if you can barely hear me because the AC is on, because Texas is honestly coming like it's hell because I don't know why it's so hot. But the trip to Walmart was semi-fail because I didn't get the other stuff that I wanted. I did find a mirror. It's $90, but I'm gonna see if I can find something cheaper somewhere else before I purchase it. If I don't find anything else cheaper somewhere else, then I'm definitely gonna go back and get it. But yeah, so right now I'm gonna go to Ross and get like the little minuscule items that I need to get. And yo, people in Texas can't friggin' drive, so I'm gonna get that, and then I'm going to just get back to you guys when I get where I'm going. But yeah, guys, I'm out of fucking breath. So I don't know if you remember when I was at Ross the other day and they only had one of the bar stools. I just went to TJ Maxx and found 3 of them. So yeah, and they were cheaper, so I served myself 30 bucks. So I'm gonna bring these back to Target because I prefer these ones and they were cheaper. So yeah, just updating you guys. But no, I'm gonna go back on the road and actually start my shopping. And I'm gonna check Ross, and if Ross doesn't have what I need, I'm gonna just get a mirror honestly, I think I'm just gonna get a mirror at Walmart. But yeah, guys, not me doing like basically a shop with me vlog and forgetting my camera. So the last place I think we left off was up the bar stools. So I got most of the items that I wanted, not everything. Still haven't gotten to the supermarket. I bought this the big mirror at Walmart that I was telling you guys about, and they took up most of the car, so I didn't have any space to stop by the supermarket. So This is the mirror. Oops. This is the mirror from Walmart, and it's really big, as you can see. I may or may not like mount it on the wall, but yeah. So this is the mirror, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from the stores I went to. Let me prop you guys up. Hold on. GG. That's my boy, nigga. Damn. Everything is either too tall. Oh, this should be perfect. There we go. So, which store first? I went to Hobby Lobby because my friend Alia recommended it. I got a vase. This is so cute because I want to buy flowers when I go to the supermarket. And then I got this for the bathroom to put like my little face pads in, and it was just $2.99, and the vase was $8.99. And I also got a mat that I put at my door. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Where else did I went to Ross as well. Oh, I got a good amount of stuff from Ross. So Ross, I got this little like vanity thing. You can see it's kind of shiny, so I don't know if it's gonna clash with the stuff in my bathroom. I'm just gonna put like the toothbrush holder, the soap dispenser, and like this on top of it. So we'll see how it looks. If it doesn't look good, I'll bring it back. If it does, honestly, I just might keep it because I was not finding any matte colored ones, and if I did find any, I wasn't finding any this big, and I love the size. I also got some non-apartment stuff that I shouldn't be getting, but you know, I can treat myself a little. So I got these little slippers. This is a house slippers. Let me try it on again just to verify it can fit me. Yeah, it fits. It's comfy. It's a little hard though. I don't remember it feeling this hard in the store, but I got these little house slippers. I got one of these little like tops to wear. Yeah, I got this because you know fall is kind of coming up, and I need to not necessarily get in the fall vibe, but you know, have like some wood accents in here because I do have just like, it's like just mainly black. So I have this where I'm gonna put the vase on, it don't fall, the candle, and some coasters that I have. So I'll show you guys probably tomorrow how I want to set that up. Also, I got this for my oil and vinegar. So I got that. And I think that's all I got from Ross. Yeah, and then I went to Walmart. I didn't really get any like sport type of stuff. No, I didn't. Yeah, that's just like lotion, body wash, all of that shit. But yeah, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. This was kind of a short video, but stay tuned for more videos. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please interact with me, so comment down below anything you noticed in the video that you like, anything that you want to see. Yeah, just, you know, interact with me, and make sure you also follow me on Instagram. I will link it in the bio, and anything that I did show you guys like earlier, I will also link it in the bio. So yeah, I'm gonna set up an affiliate thing. So like if you guys do purchase, I can get like a money. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.